Hi, Tim here. I want to talk to you about Formula 90 today, the liquid version. Liquid Formula 90 came out as the highest concentration of any liquid detergent at the time. And this is one of the few products we build that's not buffered. And the reason we do that is because we can offer three different dilution ratios, anywhere from 320 to 1, 640 to 1, or 960 to 1, and still have cleaning power. So at 960 to 1, this product is actually approved by the Wool Bureau for cleaning wool carpets or wool rugs. At 320 to 1, the pH is strong enough for any of your commercial buildings. And at 640 to 1, residential Stainmaster nylon, it's safe. So depending on dilution, we can cover anything from wool to Stainmaster nylon to commercial carpets and be very efficient at it. The Formula 90 liquid has been around for some years. It is very efficient in both truck mounts and in portables. So it's important with truck mounts, with the high heat they develop, that you have a high cloud point where your surfactant doesn't separate out of the formula. So this is a very stable formula, safe enough for a portable. It has corrosion inhibitors, so you don't hurt any of the metal parts or the pump going through a portable. But it's also effective in a truck mount and withstands the high temperatures and heat that a truck mount develops.